Got a video going on. Flood warning.
The National Weather Service Cleveland has issued a flood warning for Mahoning County. This includes the city of Youngstown until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms with locally heavy rain falling over the warning area. Radar estimates indicated between 2 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen between 4:30 p.m. and 5:30 p.m. with more rain moving into the area from the west. This will likely be enough to produce localized flooding. Some locations that may experience flooding include Youngstown. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. Most flooding deaths occur in automobiles. Turn around, don't drown. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties.